Well, hello! Welcome to my dorm. Come on in. So the first thing that you see is my bed right here. And I have a pink theme. I have a pink comforter, pink blanket, and pink pillows. And then I have a painting up here, and then up here some really pretty banners that I made myself. And if you come look right here, I actually made one and it says my name on it, which is very pretty. And then if you come here, this is my nightstand. I have a lot of storage in it as well. And then I have these beautiful paintings, and it's just a picture of my family and a lamp. And underneath my bed, I have tons and tons of storage. So I can store all of my clothes and everything whenever I'm go shopping as well. And I also have this stool where I can step up on into my bed. And I'll come show you my closet as well. So this is my closet. I have a curtain to cover it with. But here it is, really inside. It's very spacious, and I have all my shoes and everything in here. And I have this really pretty heart trimmer thing above. And then right here is a very beautiful, gorgeous shelf that I have. And I have my jewelry box, I have a lamp, and I have my necklaces, and I have some very pretty pictures on the wall. And then over here is my desk. I have a nice desk cut with lots of storage and some pictures and a pretty basket and everything. And then right here I have some pretty photos hung up and my hamper. So that was my dorm. Thank you for coming visiting.